Hello guys, welcome to the 28th session of using Microsoft Word Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session we will learn phrase list. Phrase list is one of my favorite features of LUIS. Using phrase list, we can improve accuracy of LUIS app. Previously, phrase list was known as features. It is providing hints that certain words and phrases are part of category. For this, I am going to create a new intent named welcome. Here the user may say hi. Let us train app and test it with hi. Here we got the welcome intent. Let us send hey. Here we got other intent. However, those both terms should represent same things. For this, click on phrase list. Click on create new. Write a name for this. In value, we need to write a term for which we are going to find related terms. Here I am going to find hi and click on recommend. Those all terms are related to hi, which includes hello, hi, what is happening, etc. And if you want to use only some of them, then click on those terms only. If you want to add those all terms, then click on add all. Click on these values are interchangeable. If the added phrase list values are alternatives that can be used interchangeably. Click on save and train app again. Let us again send hey. Here we got the welcome intent. Now let us see what we have learned in this session. Using phrase list, we can improve accuracy of LUIS app. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.